closer to becoming internationally famous. Nikki Hill at Noy Volante, bida sa Pinoy version ng Legally Blonde the Musical. After its successful run in New York, mapapanood na sa Pilipinas ang musical play na Legally Blonde na based sa hit movie with the same title noong 2001. At ang stars ng Pinoy staging nito under Atlantis Production, ang mga kapamilya nating sina Nikki at Noy.
Legally Blonde the Musical was based on the movie which starred Reese Witherspoon, and it's basically the same storyline, only it's a musical. It was staged in New York. It's fairly new and it's on tour right now. So ngayon we're going to stage it here in the Philippines.
I play yung love interest niya in the end.
Parang
best friend. Tapos
best friend
eventually
sidekick, Luke Wilson. And then I play Elle Woods, which is Reese Witherspoon with some...
Aminado naman si Nikki na aside from the excitement, pressure din siya sa gagawin niyang ito.
There's pressure. Of course, I will be surrounded by people who have been trained for such an arena. Siyempre, iba yung orientation natin sa showbiz. Iba din naman yung orientation ng theater. I'm very excited. It's a challenge in terms of stamina, of vocal preparation. Talagang kailangan paghandaan.
Sa ngayon ay hindi pa raw nila pwedeng sabihin ng iba pa nilang makakasama sa play. Pero sure naman daw sila na magugustuhan ito ng mga Pinoy.
Mga kapamilya, psych yourselves up dahil as early as now, we would like to invite you to watch out for Legally Blonde the Musical. This is of course by Atlantis Production. This will be directed by Ms. Shari Arispacachaga. This will open on
June 25, 2010, and it's gonna be staged at Meralco.
I actually saw Legally Blonde on Broadway.
Oh!
Yeah, kami ni James. Pero ngayon sarado na.
Nawala na. It's touring America and it's about to open in London.
In London, yeah. But I saw it.
Pero may revelasyon ho tayo mga kaibigan. Gretchen Barreto plays a very important role in this production. It's going to be her first musical play.
I watched it.
Act 2.
Okay. Yung yeah.
Oo. Surpresa na. Yes.
Yung dinefend niya.
Yes.
Oo, in-accused ng murder. Okay. Ayun na yun. Oh, wait.
It's a pivotal role. It's a very good
nice, yeah.
Very nice role.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway. May CD signing po ako, meet and greet on Saturday, 3 p.m. sa SM Mall of Asia Main Mall. Tapos, hello kay Anna May Tan of Queens and happy birthday, John Sung. Our John Sung!
John Sung, happy birthday!
Okay, go. Poll na natin. Okay, SNN poll results. Okay, dahil nga madalas na mag-bonding, si Casey at yung half-sister niyang si Gabrielle, maganda kayang hikayatin na ni Casey na mag-showbiz na rin ito. A, yes, the more conceptions, the merrier, diba? That's 47.79%. Or B, no! Tatlong conception is a crowd. Ano ba? 52.21%. So mas nangibabaw pa rin na wag na lang.
Kahit malapit sila sa isa't isa. Mga kaibigan, the group Pinas, P-I-N-A-S, or Pinoys in Norwich, aksyong samahan sa United Kingdom through the initiatives of Jerome and Heidi Albano kasama mga kaibigan nilang donated close to 42,000 pesos sa Sagip Kapamilya para sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo. Maraming salamat po, Kapamilya.
Alam lang nyo lang po kung ano pinagdaanan namin na wala po, parang talaga, 10% na lang ang ilaw na natitira sa ating mga camera. We don't know what's happening, but that's how it is when you're live, di ba?
That's what happens when you do a live show.
And that's the spirit of loving your program. Kahit anong mga anomalya, go, go, go!
You know why? Dahil hindi sila bumibitaw sa atin.
Correct! Good night, everybody! Ito po ang SNN
Showbiz News